In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get to cPanel on Namecheap. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, it could be possibly working for you. Once you do that, you will have to go into this URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, and this will normally be your home screen or your main screen on the Namecheap website. So if you have an account, make sure to go and log in into it. You'll find an option instead of this, which is my username. And if you don't have an account, make sure to go and click at an option will be at the right of it to create your account, sign up option. Of course, there is no fast way as like create your account with Google or something like that. So you'll have to do everything manually, even the login option. Once you do one of those two options, you will find yourself on the dashboard of your account. And as we said, is we would like to get to cPanel on the Namecheap. So if we want to do that after signing up or after signing in into our account, make sure to select this hosting list on the left panel right here. As you can see, you will be redirected to the hosting subscription page. Find the main domain of hosting account you want to access and click to go to cPanel. For me, I don't have any hosting service, but for you, you will simply find your hosting service here. And if you want to go to cPanel, you'll find an option on the right of it, like this manage option on the right of this domain name. And of course, once you click as go to cPanel, you'll find another go to cPanel at the top right corner of the same screen. Click on it, and here you are. You will find your cPanel right there. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.